Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Abdul Basit Sohail from Lahore, Pakistan. In the last video, we learned two types of sharika, sharikatul milk, sharikatul akad. Sharikatul milk can be compulsory or optional. Sharikatul akad is further divided into three types: sharikatul amwal, sharikatul amal, sharikatul wujuh. Each of the above three types of sharikatul akad, sharikatul amwal, sharikatul amal, sharikatul wujuh are further divided into two types: sharikatul inan and sharikatul mufawada. So al amwal by way of inan, al amwal by way of mufawada. Sharikatul Amal by way of Inan, Sharikatul Amal by way of Mufawada, and Sharikatul Wuju by way of Inan, Shirkatul Wuju by way of Mufawada. So let's understand Sharikatul Inan and Sharikatul Mufawada in detail. Sharikatul Inan, it is a partnership where equality in capital, equality in profit and loss, equality in management, equality in risk, equality in contractual capacity, and religion is not necessary, is not mandatory, is not compulsory. It is a partnership between two or more people in any particular trade with determined capital and determined profit and loss rate. So all the Muslim jurists are unanimous on its validity. It is a more common type of Sharikatul Akad where equality in capital, equality in management or liability might be equal in one case but not in all respect, meaning either profit is equal but not the labor or work. Sharikatul Inan is further divided into two categories: general Inan and specific Inan. General Inan can be defined as a partnership formed for the purpose of general trade with no restrictions with respect to commodities. Any legitimate trading activity for profit is allowed in Sharikatul Inan. But so far as specific Inan is concerned, where partners are confined, where partners are restricted to the trade with a certain categories of commodities or goods that are defined in the partnership agreement. So, general Inan or specific Inan is somewhat similar to the restricted or unrestricted Mudarba. So, what are the general rules regarding Sharikatul Inan? It requires mutual agency instead of mutual surety. Both partner or either of them can involve in management. Inan does not require equality in capital. So, what is Mufawada partnership? According to Hanfis, Mufawada requires equality in all respect: equality in capital, equality in profit and loss, equality in participation, equality in management, equality in contractual capacity or religion. Each partner is agent of the other partner. Each partner is also responsible on behalf of other partners of their acts and deeds. He is surety for his partners. If any one category is not shared, then the partnership becomes Sharikatul Anan. If any one category discussed in previous slide is not shared, then the partnership becomes Sharikatul Anan. Every partner who shares equally is a trustee, guarantor, and agent on behalf of the other partner. So Sharikatul Mufawada requires mutual surety. Mentioning Mufawada is necessary in Mufawada partnership. Only adults and sane can do Mufawada partnership. Mufawada partnership in Malki viewpoint, Malki jurists lay emphasis on tafweed, on delegation of discretionary authority to conduct the trade with each other's capital. Instead of equality, each partner is agent and can dispose of own and other partners' property without partners' permission. So liability is joint, means one partner is responsible for the conduct of other partner. So according to Malki, no equality in personal and financial status of the prospective partner is required in Mufawada. Legitimacy of Mufawada is based on istihsan and practice during the era of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What is istihsan? It is one of the secondary sources of Sharia. It is juristic preference if the application of qiyas leads to the hardship for the people. So a decision that will remove hardship will be preferred over qiyas. So only Hanafi and Malki are in favor of Mufawada, but Shafi, Zahiri and Imami are not in favor of Mufawada partnership. Islamic Law of Contract and Business Transaction by Dr. Tahir Mansouri is the reference book for our partnership videos. May Allah forgive any mistake in content and concept. Thank you for watching this video.